Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. We are in fourth week. Today, lesson number 26 is about Budhi, intelligence. It is the seventh fold of Prakriti, eightfold nature. Budhi term is of TC value 25, while Prakriti is 29. So it is 26, 27, 28, which makes a range, a transcendence range. 25 as dimension, 26 as boundary, 27 as domain, 28 as origin, and 29 as the base. It is that way hypercubes 27 as domain and Brahm, eternity, the second perfect number, is the origin, and Brahma, creator, is the base. 27 is prarabdha, all what we have carried forward at the time of birth. This amounts to Devta, is the divinity which is sustaining this prarabdha, and then this is intelligence. For this intelligence, we have to go to Brahma, creator, the overlord of a fourth space, which has second manifestation as H14, has 29 versions. So domain is 14 and its origin is 15, makes it 29. The intelligence as Budhi, Tat, TC 25, as dimension will sequentially take to the created base 29. See, the intelligence is created by mann. It is the sixth fold. It is TC value 19. So to reach from 19 to 25 is we have to be through the steps 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So it is going to be hypercube 6. It is half unit, and it is going to be the Purusha, a 6 space with the creative dimensional frame. it is the TC value of going to be the TC value of it is going to be the see the mann is taking us to 26 in eighth step to 25 in seventh step. So to reach 19 means to reach from the southern hemisphere. So this is happening within a creator's space, and within a creator's space, the transcendental origin with its split as a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere of TC's values 17 and 19. So mind is of this format, and we know that 5 space is having 6 space as an origin. So here it is Purusha, so will be reached like that, and it is 4 into 6, 24. This grid 4 is to 6 grid will accommodate all the 24 double-digit numbers of 5-place value system, and first triple-digit number of 5-place value is transcending this particular domain. Therefore, we have to sit comfortably and have to be parallel with it as the happening this number 25 as the first triple digit number of 5 place value system. The double digit numbers of 5 place value system are 24, and these are accommodated by this grid, and the triple digit number 1 0 and 0 5 place value system is of value 25 as far as the 10 place value system is concerned. Now the value triple digit number of 5 place value system as the first triple digit number and the same as 100 of a 10 place value system when are to be superimposed for their structures, composition, and operations. We see this in 10 place value system would mean 9 into 9, 99 double digit numbers, and the first triple digit number of 10 place value system is 100. And it is this feature, rather it is this beauty, which will help us appreciate why 10 place value system has more significant role than other place value systems. Now numbers 1 to 100 C are having 25 primes. One can tabulate 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. And also we can see that these numbers as 1, 2, 3, and 4 as hypercube, half unit, full unit, and 1.5 half unit, and D3. Then we will reach at number 5 as H 1.5, and so on. So we will be having these 25 Sthapatya, the geometric formats for these. And further we see that we are having precisely 5 cross 5 are going to be our Varga consonants 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This writing of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gives us the total value is 125. And we know that if we are having a cube as a synthetic setup of 8 subcubes, then the upper part of upper quadruple squares will give us the value. This is the value which will be 75, and for the lower it will be 50, and the separation plate is going to have 9664 value 25. So it is this separation plate which has its significant role, while the upper quadruple subcubes of a cube, these this cube 1 raised to power 3 is having 8 subcubes. These 8 subcubes, as these are of structural component 27, 18, 18 and 12, making it 75, and the lower quadruple will be having 18, 12, and 12, 8 is going to be 50. But the separation plate, this square as quadruple quarter squares, yield the structural components which are 25, and number 75 is parallel with the TCV of Ekadhike Purve, first Ganita Sutra. So see how this mathematics is an integrated discipline, and it is this integrated discipline which will help us take from Vedic mathematics to Vedic mathematics, science and technology. And it is here where we will appreciate that 25 is TC value of Prithvi, the first element, and 25 is the TC value of the 8th Vishnu, and it is Budhi. And then it is going to be Dukh. And so the Sankhya Darshan, the numbers setup, is meant for meeting all this. We will be coming to it, but first of all, let us see that if we are having 1 triple 3, 4, 5, it will lead to area 6. It makes 18. It is hypercube 5. And this square is 9. Here is 16, 25. These together make it 50. So it is going to be the lower quadruple subcubes. So the quadruple subcubes are 1812 and 12-8, making it 50. The upper quadruple subcubes make value 75, which is the TCB value of ekadike. So this value of ekadike means Ganita Sutra 1, and the lower quadruple subcubes as 50 are going to be parallel with 3 square, 4 square and 5 square, and we know there are precisely 50 letters of Devanagari alphabet as 9 consonants, 25 Varga consonants, 4 Anthastha, 4 Ushmana and 8 Yama letters. This way we can see that mathematics, science and technology of Vedic mathematics and Vedic systems is in fact the mathematics of our Tirloki, three space, which is being sustained by Trimurti. So Triloki to Trimurti, and Trimurti, if we see the word Murti, it is going to be 25. Hence, our intelligence is to be supported by this. It is going to be supported by Prithvi, our earth, the first element. It is going to be parallel with the Vishnu, and it is the structural setup of structural plate which is separating the upper part and lower part of upper quadruple subcubes and lower part of quadruple quarter subcubes. These things are being taken as that for to be parallel with Vedic mathematics and science and systems, we have to well appreciate Budhi, the intelligence field, being created by mann, and it is having a chit whose nirman is the purusharth. So all what we have to do, why we have to be through the education, why there should be education at all, for it we know we must have a yoga darshan, and yoga darshan would mean 12 plus 21, it is equal to 33, which is the TC value of a Purusharth. And this will that way help us appreciate as to be how we have to proceed along the Ishan cone, which is of value 33, and we have to reach at again cone 30, which is H8, the representative regular body of a 8 space. These all features, as these are, will indicate that if we want our education, our mathematics, our sciences, our technologies, and our existence phenomenon, and our way of teaching and way of learning is to be parallel with Vedic systems, then we have to see what precisely is Sankhya Yoga. It is 20 plus 12, it is 32, it is 2 raised to power 5, and this is the frequency of reach at summation value 6 by choices from here. Then we also have to well appreciate that we have to learn this. So for proper initiation, we have to go to Patanjal Yoga Darshan. This is a scripture which begins with At Yog Anushashan, and this sutra takes us to 7, 12, and 29, means we have to be to the shelter of Brahma, Shiv, and the Vishnu. And the value comes to be these triple together take us to value 7 plus 12 plus 29 is 48, and it is parallel with 2 into 4 into 6. It is further parallel with the formulation Rishi Dashya. So we have to reach at the dimensional frame of a six space. However, the learning will be only for a Purusha, which is 24, 4 into 6, and the practice of the Dhyan Yoga, which is Dhyan means 19 a mann, and its reach will be at Kaivalya, and Kaivalya is 24. So we can reach at 4 into 6, and rest is to be as to follow by para prakriti, that is Jeev Brahm, Jeeva Bhut Prakriti, and it is 35, and it is going to be Udgit, then it will be taking us to 5 into 7. So from single digit numbers with which we proceed with Ganita Sutra 1 as Eka Adhike, we have to reach at 6 square, and this is that we are having precisely 36 distinct letters of this text. Sit comfortably, be parallel with it, and learn to provide consciousness base for the intelligence. And it is by providing the conscious base for intelligence, we will be having 7 states of consciousness. And this would mean that the origin of 6 space is a 7 space, which will be leading to flow of space content, from where will flow the transcendental content, and then ultimately the cycle of call vidhi vidhan is going to be in operation of its own. Our only purusharth is that we should see the natural time method system called vidhi vidhan is on its natural wheel, and it is this all what we have to do. Rest the nature is doing under the supervision of eternity. So along with this course, we will be now also taking a course in a Patanjali Yoga Darshan, and we know that it is 29, 33, and here is 30. It would mean we have to proceed along Ishan code. So our learning should be as it is, and it is only by following it, it is only by parallel with it, we will not only be developing our intelligence by providing it 7 folds consciousness for our intelligence. Intelligence Budhi is a Jad Tattva, it's a Jad Prakriti. We have to make it Sachetan. We have to make it Sachetan. We have to provide consciousness base for intelligence, and there is no other alternative for it. If we want to be parallel with Vedic mathematics and Vedic systems, we have to approach it the Vedic way. Henceforth, we will also be having a course in Patanjali Yoga Darshan, which is a scripture of 195 sutras organized as four padas, and we will be starting with first At Yoga Shashan, and we'll be reaching at the Kavalya features. Thank you very much.